Exercise 5.2 problem number 8. The line through the points minus 2, 6 and 4, 8 is perpendicular to the line through the points 8, 12 and x, 24. Find the value of x, which belongs to the page number 220. So solution. We know that if two lines are perpendicular, so m1 cross m2 is equal to minus 1. So first you are going to find the slope of the first line, then you are going to find the slope of the second line. You just multiply the two slopes and you have to equate this to minus 1. You get the value of x. So solution, slope of the line joining minus 2, 6 and 4, 8, that is m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is your x1, y1, x2, y2, which is equal to y2 value is 8 minus y1 value is 6 divided by x2 is 4 minus x1 is minus 2, so minus of minus plus 2, which is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2 divided by 4 plus 2 is 6, which is equal to 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3, which is your m1. Then slope of the line joining 8, 12 and x, 24. So m2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is your x1, y1, x2, y2, which is equal to y2 value is 24 minus y1 is 12 divided by x2 is x minus x1 is 8, which is equal to 24 minus 12 is 12 divided by x minus 8. So therefore m2, that is slope m2 is equal to 12 divided by x minus 8. Since two lines are perpendicular, m1 cross m2 is equal to minus 1, which is nothing but m1 value is 1 by 3 into m2 is 12 divided by x minus 8, which is equal to minus 1. So if you cancel 3 and 4, 3 and 12 is 4 times, it just implies 4 by x minus 8 is equal to minus 1. So cross multiplied, 4 is equal to minus of x minus 8. 4 is equal to minus x, minus into minus plus 8. So you are taking x to this side. So x is equal to 8 minus 4. The value of x is equal to 4. Problem number 9. Show that the given points form a right angled triangle and check whether they satisfy Pythagoras theorem. The problem belongs to page number 220. First subdivision, a of 1, minus 4, b of 2, minus 3 and c of 4, minus 7. So we already seen one example problem like this. You have to find the slope of AB, BC and CA. You have to take any two slopes and check whether the slope of the two line is perpendicular. That is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 means any two lines are perpendicular, you get one angle is equal to 90 degree. So ABC is a right angle triangle. So solution, given a of 1, minus 4, b of 2, minus 3 and c of 4, minus 7. First we are going to find slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 value is minus 3 minus y1 value is minus 4. So minus of minus plus 4 divided by x2 is 2, x1 is minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 plus 4 is 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equal to 1. Next we are going to find slope of BC. So slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is equal to B point is 2, minus 3 and C point is 4, minus 7. So y2 value is minus 7 minus y1 value is minus 3. So minus of minus plus 3 divided by x2 value is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, which is equal to minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2, which is nothing but minus 2. We are finding slope of CA or AC is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is your x1 y1 and x2 y2 value. So you just substitute the values in the formula. y2 is minus 7, minus of minus plus 4 divided by x2 is 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore slope of CA is equal to minus 1. Therefore slope of AB into slope of CA is equal to 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore AB is perpendicular to AC. Therefore angle A is equal to 90 degree. So if one of the angle is 90 degree and AB is perpendicular to AC means, therefore triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So similarly, ninth problem, second subdivision is your homework problem. This belongs to same page number 220. Show that the given points form a right angled triangle and check whether they satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So second subdivision, L of 0, 5, M of 9, 12 and N of 3, 14. So the answer is slope of LM is equal to 7 by 9, slope of MN is equal to minus 1 by 3 and slope of Ln is equal to 3. Therefore Mn is perpendicular to Ln. Therefore triangle LMN is a right angled triangle. So this is your homework problem.